Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered, and today, well, I'm going to do two different videos today. One of which, this first one here, is a little rant. Um, it's quite a bit of a rant, and it's not political either. Go figure. I just can't get myself into the political side of things, but as you see, I'm sitting here by the GL350 again, and I'm going to have another video coming up regarding this vehicle. We took it out for the test drive the other day, last week actually, and Yui and I, no check engine light, everything was fine. It drove and performed marvelously. I go to get in it yesterday to take a little road trip, and I went and put fuel in it. I left it running because it was blistering cold. It was 11 degrees outside. I put fuel. I opened the fuel door, took the fuel cap off, put fuel in it, put the fuel cap back on after I got my fuel, took off down the road, check engine light. I'm going, oh my word. So another video is coming up regarding that, but that's not the purpose of this video. This video is a rant against YouTube. Now, I've been spending a little bit of time on YouTube regarding, first of all, why I'm not getting views. And I've seen some of the analysts or the YouTubers, the trainers and things like that. And I've done, most of my videos have been pretty organic. Now, there is one video on this GL350. It was done over a year ago that I've gotten, I think I'm over 14,000 views on it, and it's really a nothing view. But if you search GL350 and placeholder number 3 or 4, I'm in it with this vehicle in a Kansas City Chiefs t-shirt regarding the clattering noise of this GL350. The one right behind it is the next one where I talked about how I solved that clattering noise, or had a repair shop solve that clattering noise. But since then, the videos on this GL350, nobody's watching. Nobody's watching my channel hardly at all. I get 50, 60, 70 views, and thanks to the viewers out there that are watching this. But if you go to a computer and you type in YouTube, you get 3 blocks of videos. That's it. You might get 2 rows, and then you're at shorts. And if you scroll down, you might get 3 more. It used to be you had 5 or 6 across there to choose from, and basically whoever had the best thumbnail or had the best viewership would get their placement on there. Well, that's not the case anymore. And thanks, YouTube, again, for changing your crap to make small content creators like myself not even get a flipping chance. I mean, what am I supposed to do? I'm a car guy. I've produced a few car videos, and the last few videos on this particular vehicle is a learning lesson for those who have this motor, and for what to do and what not to do. Now, I'm not a perfect mechanic, but there are people out there that are attempting to do this because they don't want to pay $200 and some an hour for a flipping mechanic to do this. And quite frankly, I'm learning this all, throughout the whole process myself. So far, what I have done on this to do the PCV valve, changing the fuel filter, changing the orange donut on this car, would have cost me almost $1,350 at a shop. Okay, fuel filter was $50 or just under that. The little donut thing was $23 to put on the intake. Well, that didn't solve the problem. Apparently, there is still an underlying problem. But the next video, I'm going to show you what I think might be the solution on there, because during Yui's and my test drive, we had more boost, and that's been the problem on this GL350, is we didn't have enough boost. It was underpowered. The turbo was underpowered. Well, if you're sucking air or if you're blowing air in places where it's supposed to be pressurized, yeah, you don't have any boost. So there's no Yui today. This is me. I'm going to be taking apart that turbo exhaust pipe, replacing the 2 O-rings on that. Plus, I'm going to change out the orange, I guess it's a rubber piece into the intake, air intake from the PCV valve, and hopefully maybe I can solve the issues. Now I'm going to get out the OBD2 thing, and you always tried to teach me how to read that thing, and I'm going to try and pull what the codes are, and I'm going to see. It's going to be a long video, I'm sure, because I'm still learning a little bit on my own. But YouTube, you're not helping. You are not helping me get my content out there. 60, 70, 80 views a week, in the first week, don't cut it. I'm sorry I'm not a Hoovie's Grudge. I'm sorry I'm not a Tavares. I'm sorry I'm not a Randy that buys cars, buys a bunch of Mercedes, and then turns around and sells them all off and takes a loss or whatever drama he wants to create. I'm not a Monkey Wrench Mike that, is continuing to create. I'm a Mercedes guy as well. And I love you, Monkey Wrench Mike, because some of the stuff you're doing is helping me along, because I've been a Mercedes guy. I've owned Mercedes since the 1980s, 1990s. And I've always tinkered with them, but I've gotten into the modern era here on this one, and I'm having trouble solving the problem. I still have the 560. I can't get the ignition key to turn. Just those things. I'm here to try and help people in a little bit different way, or more of a, I don't want to say redneck way, but the normal working guy. Because again, folks, I am a working guy. I have a full-time job. This is not my job yet. One day it may be, because I'd like to get to that monetization point so that I can market myself. And by the way, YouTube, about 5 years ago or 6 years ago, when all these big YouTubers came on, they bought their damn subscribers and views. They had marketing people. They invested in that. If you do that now, folks, you don't get nowhere at all. In fact, you might get the subscribers, but they're bogus subscribers. They don't watch your videos. And so that's what the algorithm of YouTube is trying to prevent. But small channels like mine don't even get a prayer, because we don't get positioning on the YouTube homepage. We used to get a better odds of getting when there were 5 across 2 rows. That's 10. That gave you 1 in 10, a 10% shot of getting clicked on. Now you have a 1 in probably, let me think here, a 1 in about 90 or 120% shot. A 1 in 120 to get noticed. So YouTube, go back to your old ways. There's my rant. So folks, continue to watch my videos. I appreciate it. Goodness gracious, I'm so passionate about this. But continue to share, continue to subscribe, continue to watch. Help me grow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and be safe out there. And you see my backdrop? See what I got to deal with?